reached Skull Island. King Kong. I'm joking, this is called Phi Phi. We're going to Phi Phi, but this is called Phi Phi. Hello. You're out in Phi Phi. Here we go. I took Widdy the wrong way. I had an extra few minutes in the sea, so we've diverted back. You have reached your destination. This looks absolutely stunning. Beach woods. Wait till we turn this corner. Let's get the shirt off. Get the vest on. I have the vest on, just take the shirt off. This is actually unbelievable. Let's give you a little tour. The beach is there. And we each have our own little huts. And this is ours. Let's go. Open. Oh, by the way, laying down chair and a chair into the cold there. Actually, this is aircon's on. Yeah. Got Widdy in the corner. We got two elephants, I want to say. I think. It's quite cool. Do you know what? I haven't seen the bathroom. So let's show you. It's cracking lacking. Decent. Hello. This is cool. This is so cool. I love this. Now we're going to cool down, unpack just a bit because we're only here 2 nights. We're going to head out somewhere. You're coming with us. Let's go. We didn't pack, we came straight up for food and drinks. But let's show you the pool and the view. So this is where we're having dinner. And that's the view. It's absolutely unbelievable. That view's insane. Honestly, could sit around here every day, all day, and never get bored of this view. Wow. Stop for food, we got French fries, get that fly away. We got minced pork, I think with salad. And we got minced chicken with salad. Well, my dish comes from the north of Thailand. I think it's like Koh Pung Nang. But I could be wrong what that dish is, because I had it about 10 minutes ago. My pea-sized brain has already forgot. Let's get stuck in with them views. We're currently kayaking. Say we, say me.
Rude.
No, we're currently kayaking. Let's show you. Started there, and now we're here. We're just floating now. It's a bit wet on my phone, so if I don't get my footage, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Tomorrow is my birthday, so we're going to kayak today. Still got an hour left. Careful we don't hit any other boats or kayakers, but we're going to go a bit out, not too far. See where we get to. I think we're at the furthest point where we're going to make it, because around the corner there's the big scary sea. Let's show you again. So we came from the land, well, I want to say 5 miles, but it's more like not even half a mile. It's probably 5 miles of route, so instead of going straight we went, yeah, I'm going to say it, but it's what it is. So tonight we're in Garlic 1992, we got spring rolls to start, and I thought it was 1 per plate, but it turns out it's 2 portions, and we're going with it. With a large chunk. I'm waiting on Widdy's cocktail. And that's Widdy's drink. Look at the size of it. That's huge. I can't do it, but that's the size of it. It's a bucket. I ate like 3 spring rolls, but we've got beef mama noodles. I think that is a chicken. It's one of them. Some spare noodles, don't know why. I think it's to go with that, which is the cow soy. How do you say it? The cow soy kai chicken on the bone curry. Let's go. In case you copyright on the music, I just wanted to say on here as well, I'm having coconut water because I felt awfully dehydrated. After the water, I had to go to Freedom Bar and get back on it with some Josh shots, which is like vodka with some sugary powder and a beer. It's my 30th birthday, and what better way to spend it than in Thailand. And my beautiful wife Widdy has booked a private boat tour today, and we're going to go see multiple islands. We've got our beers, we've got our snacks, It's an early start, beat the queues. And you're coming with us today. It's going to be such a good day, I'm really looking forward to it. Let's go! And this is the boat. Cool. First stop, Maya Bay. Right there. Let's go! This is Maya Bay. Well, not the beach part, but my goodness, yo. There you go. As I told you, absolutely huge. And over there, Maya Bay. This is Maya Bay. Absolutely stunning. The sun's coming out as well, just in time. Now we're going to go on the beach. We're going down now. We're on the beach at Maya Bay. Let's show you. Tell you what, let's zoom out. Boom. That's the money shot. We made it, guys. We made it. Not only at 30, but we made it at Maya Bay. Beach shot. And that's just a piece of wood. How clear is the water? This is so warm as well, this water. And we made it. It's like only 8 o'clock in the morning. And we're here. It's really quiet. Like, look. But in about a couple of hours, it's supposed to get absolutely rammed. So we made it early. We made it at a very good time. Buzzing. Absolutely buzzing with this. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're in Pileh Lagoon. Pileh Blue Lagoon. Unbelievable. Wowzers. It's 4 o'clock somewhere, baby. Unfortunately, it's only 9 AM here. Cheers, guys. Snorkeling time. Viking Cave.
Yeah.
Oh, and my goggles. Shit.
Go away, shorty. Alright, come in.
That snorkeling was so good. We would both say that's probably the best part of this trip so far. Obviously couldn't film it because we were in the water. And then like a shark went by as well while I was swimming. Oh, it was so good. And then top it off, we're getting out with a nice cold Chang beer while Woody's got a wine. But that snorkeling was unbelievable outside the Viking Cave. That was class. We were in there for what, about half an hour just swimming about with the fish. But yeah, we've got a few cuts, let's show you. A few injuries off the whoa. Nothing that a good old cold beer won't help. But that was so good. Highly recommend it. And this is Europe travel as well. I'll show you. Zoom in. Whoa. Hold it steady. There you go. And we booked it through getyourguide.com. It's only 10 AM. Second beer. Chan. Cheers. Alright, Monkey Day. Let's show you. What's cracking lagging. No monkeys out today apparently. Well, not at this moment. They're supposed to be out though. Am I thankful? Maybe, because they got aggressive. Absolutely stunning. Just been snorkeling again. Let's show you, because this is a bit deeper. Wasn't as good as the first, but still very good. Let's show you. So we went now with all the fishies. No sharks this time, which really deep, but honestly, such an amazing experience. This is honestly class. We probably went up near there and then went as far, like wet my fingers, like not too far past the boat. So the current gets very strong, as you can see where it goes from light to dark. That's so good. You can see all the fishies. So cool. I absolutely love this. Honestly, the day's been so class. It's now 2 o'clock. We're back. We chilled for about 45 minutes. Heading to the pool now. Gonna relax for a bit. chill. I'm tired, but full of life at the same time. Don't know whether that comes across right. But then we're going to head, because we've got a massage booked at 3, so like in about an hour's time. Time we do 60 minutes, Thai massage. The view is insane. They've even got a projector up for the movies. This is actually insane. Sure in aqua, breadsticks complimentary. Ketchup for the fries, but they put that there, I didn't ask. Bottle of Singer because I don't have chat. Coke Zero, Mai Tai, Muay Thai. That's it, now we're waiting for the meals. Sweet and sour, chicken with cashew nut. Let's go, baby. So the sweet and sour, this only took like 5 minutes to cook. That looks banging, sweet and sour. Rice, the chips look banging. We got chicken with cashew nuts with rice. And this took like 10 minutes to come for the drinks and food. Now we're in the Dubliner, the Irish band Phi Phi, highly recommend. Just a reminder, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and smash that like button. Drop a comment, say hi, tell me if you're going to Phi Phi or if you're going to Thailand this year or have you got plans for it. So we're heading home now, last of the birthday, it's at 20 past 11. Got a chocolate sundae from Mackey's on the way home, it's quite warm. Yeah, I got my chest out, who cares. Yeah, went to the Dubliners, really good music, loved it, highly recommend if you go to Phi Phi. Obviously it's just a stereotypical British bar, I'm going to say, just with the music. Sweet Caroline came on, obviously. Get a pint Guinness, like £8. It's not bad, Thailand. Yeah, it was really good. Went to Muay Thai for a bit, we didn't film. It was very sweaty, rammed. Probably wouldn't recommend, unless if you go early at like 9 o'clock for the first fight, but we went at like 10. But yeah, that's it for the birthday. Check it out, and we'll see you soon. Well, that's Phi Phi done. My 30th is done. And I couldn't have asked for a better birthday, spending it in Phi Phi. And then that boat ride yesterday and everything, oh, it was honestly unbelievable. Loved every minute of it. I'm sad Phi Phi's done, but we move on to the next and the last stop, Krabi. You come with us, so we'll see you when we're in Krabi.